Imagine making money in trading without actually trading. What if you could simply copy professional traders and let their trades run in your account automatically? That's exactly what copy trading promises. But the real question is, can beginners actually make money with it? So in this video, I tested copy trading to see whether it's real profit or just another trading myth. Part 1. What is copy trading? First, let's understand what copy trading actually is. Copy trading allows beginners to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders. When the professional trader opens a trade, the same trade is automatically executed in your account. So instead of analyzing charts yourself, you're basically following someone else's strategy. Many platforms offer this feature, including Bybit and eToro. These platforms allow users to browse trader profiles, analyze their performance, and choose who they want to copy. Part 2. Why copy trading became popular. Copy trading has exploded in popularity for one simple reason. Most beginners struggle with trading. They don't know technical analysis. They don't understand market psychology, and they often lose money. So platforms introduced copy trading to allow beginners to follow experienced traders. In theory, it sounds perfect, but the real question is, does it actually work? Part 3. How copy trading works. Here's how copy trading usually works. First, you choose a trader to follow. Then you allocate a portion of your capital. When that trader opens a position, your account automatically opens the same trade. If the trader makes profit, you make profit. If the trader loses, you also lose. So choosing the right trader becomes extremely important. Part 4. How to choose the right trader. This is where most beginners make mistakes. They simply follow traders with the biggest profits. But that can be dangerous. Instead, you should analyze several factors: consistency of profits, maximum drawdown, trading history, risk level. A trader who made 300% profit in 1 month might actually be taking huge risks. But a trader making steady profits over a long period is usually more reliable. Part 5. Advantages of copy trading. Copy trading does have some real advantages. First, beginners can learn by observing experienced traders. Second, it saves time because you don't need to analyze charts all day. And third, it allows people with full-time jobs to participate in the market. But that doesn't mean it's risk-free. Part 6. Risks of copy trading. There are also several risks beginners should understand. First, even professional traders have losing streaks, so your account can experience losses. Second, some traders take extremely high risks to attract followers. And third, market conditions change constantly. A strategy that worked last month might fail next month. So copy trading should always be approached with caution. Part 7. Important reality. One of the biggest misconceptions about copy trading is that it guarantees profit. But the truth is, there is no guaranteed profit in trading. Copy trading is simply another strategy. It can work well when you follow disciplined traders, but it can also lose money if you choose poorly. That's why risk management is critical. Part 8. Tips for beginners. If you're thinking about trying copy trading, here are a few important tips. Start with small capital. Diversify by copying multiple traders. Monitor performance regularly. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. Treat copy trading as a learning tool, not a guaranteed income source. So can beginners actually make money with copy trading? The answer is yes, but only if you choose traders carefully and manage risk properly. Copy trading can be a powerful tool for beginners, but it's not a shortcut to instant wealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And comment below if you want me to run a copy trading experiment with real money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.